Welcome back to another phenomenal time. My name is Alexander Leviathan, the purveyor of phenomenal by choice. Is purveyor the right word? I don't know. I pulled a gold Mew, and I finally have a Rayquaza alternate V Max. Woo! I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. Or and today, since you came back for more, I will give you so much more. As you can see, my camera is in shot. No. Wait, let me just move it up a little bit. Is that better? Yeah, it's not in shot anymore. Yeah. I think we're good. Yeah. Is that it? Yeah. Anywho, we come back with two of my final celebration packs. I thought it were yesterday, but I mean, it's, whatever. Brilliant stars, chilling, shining fates, looking for that Zard, evolving skies, and fusion strike. Did I do fusion strike already? I did it yesterday. Oh well, cool. Here we go. I started off with a little warm-up. Pulled a gold Mew yesterday, so let's hope we have the same results. Hey, let's hope we have the same results. Here we go. I'm saving the let's go into the big pack start. Here we go. Code card. Let's see. Lugia. Yveltal. Woo! Groudonty Magma. And Solgaleo. Okay, put them in the celebration bulk. Number 2. Here we go. Let us know. Almost. Code card. Here we go. Rayquaza. Zekrom. Groudon. Woo! Dark Gyarados. I was about to say V. Dark Gyarados. And Professor's Research. Those are my last 2 celebration packs for now. Maybe I'll get more in the future. I pretty much have everything I'm happy with, especially since I pulled another gold Mew. So, here we go. Brilliant stars. There's a lot I haven't pulled from this. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go! Rock Lee Energy, Dusclops, more Grim, Gabite, Farfetch'd, Execute, Gamey, Clefairy, Bidoof. Should I go for the reverse for the finale of pack 1? 7. Excavalier, nothing. Excavalier, nothing there. It's natural. I just do it. Chilling. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Rock Lee Energy. Peon. Caitlin, how you doing? Lucky Energy. Deerling. Slowpoke. Galarian Style. Coughing. Yamask. Galarian Style. Snowruns. Survivor for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 2. Cresselia Hollow. Cresselia Hollow. We got 3 more to go. It's all organic. I'm telling you, it just happens when I'm just shining face. Let us go. I love that the squad was in the comments like lettuce, and then go is in GOW. I love it. The squad is life. The squad is amazing. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it still 4? Come on. Third Eye Energy. I see it all. Eldegoss. Luxio. Gym Trainer. Horsey. Hold on. Yamag. No. Yama. There we go. Morpico. I was just talking about the squad. Coughing. Whoa. What is that? Glossifer. What is that? Woo! Lapras VMAX. Woo! Volcanion, Lapras VMAX, and that gets the Thai seal of approval. Get in there. Oh, let's go. I'm running out of room. Wait, I'm running out of room. I'll put you here. I'll organize after the video. Okay, evolving skies. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Evil energy. Or there we go. Ice Cube. Scroll of the Flying Dragon. Crystal. Cryogonal. Petalite. Big Mate. Drowsy. Scraggy. Spirit Mask with a reverse for the finale of Pack 3. What is it? Pack 3? Pack 4? Pack 4. Another Rayquaza. Let me put you right there next to you in a more glorious tense, my friend. Fusion Strike. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Third Eye Energy. I see it all. Yes, this is who's winning the NBA Finals. Dunsparce. Cranomatic. Eldegoss. Basculin. Grubby. Mankey. Croagont. Pansear. Bug catcher for the reverse and for the finale of this entanglement with Pokemon cards. Verizon. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear? I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I promise. I won't do it again. But you were in the end. You reached the end. Look, speak, spit it out. You've reached the end of this pack breaking endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. My biggest pull of the day. Lapras VMAX Shiny. And I will see you again tomorrow for more. In case you don't know who I am your Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. There's nothing better than being a double champion at any time. And please come back tomorrow for more. Valor, please make sure they went home happy. And Super V, if you can, bring them back tomorrow.